buddy. Are you ready for play toys? Let's see what we've got here. It's a backpack. A Disney princess backpack with Cinderella, Belle, Aurora, Jasmine, and Snow White. I wonder what is inside. Wow! Surprise! My Little Pony. Let's see what's inside. Flyer, My Little Pony by Hasbro. Rainbow Dash. Yeah, that is Rainbow Dash. Look at this beautiful tail and pony hair in all those great rainbow colors. Rainbow Dash. Let's see what's next. It is the Littlest Pet Shop. I wonder, what figure do we get inside? Fire. Wow! A little pet, accessory, and a deco bit. Next is Series 4, Mighty Beans. A flyer, Set Clown. Instructions. With all the toys you can get. It says Dog Food Tester Bean. Next is the Elves. Wow, it's a little elf. And a flyer. I think we got Kitsu right here. These are all the little elves. Do you see them? They have this long fluffy hair that you can play with. If you twist it all around and then hold it on top, it's gonna spin. Just like that. Isn't that fun? A great little selfie. Hi, buddy. Hi. Next is the trash bag. It's a toilet. A flyer with all the trash bag buddies that you can ever get. They're very soft and really can stick around easily. You can put them on top of pencils as well. Next, we have a figure from the Minions. With Minions cards. With all the numbers. 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Leaflet. And of course, a Minion. Isn't he hilarious? Look at this. Soft gooey, sticky. We've got Masha and the Bear by Clay Buddies. The flyer. Play-Doh. And figures. Ready to make it? Let's make Masha. Then we'll make 2 shoes. Put the shoes next to each other and the body on top to stick. Let's take Masha's head. Here's Masha in her scarf. Stick it up. Let's get the details. We need this right here under her scarf. This is part of her scarf, just like in real life. Here we go. Let's get arms. One arm. You just gently stick it and it stays. Second arm. And yellow for the shoes. And a little yellow for her shoes. Isn't this a great Masha? Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our video. All these great little toys that make so much joy. Put them in your pocket and play. If you liked it, please subscribe. We'll see you next time.